So guys, you can see the grid system which has been formed. So let me show you how to save this. Go to File, then go to Save. And this box opens and you can save it wherever you want. You'll go to Desktop and save it in whichever folder you want it to be. And give whatever name you want it to have. So as I was explaining to you, our plan is going to be symmetric with total 4 columns in each direction. So this is what I was planning to have the plan. So now what we are going to do is we are going to define the materials that we are going to use in the tall building. So for that we will go to define, then we will go to material properties. So we will go to add new property, add new materials, select India. So first we will add the concrete grade, concrete. We are planning to use M40. So you can see the various grades of concrete which are available. Go for M40 and for OK. So this box opens which shows all the properties. So we will go for OK. So this M40 is added. Now we are going to go for the rebar properties. Add new material, select rebar and HYSD. So you can see 3 grades: HYSD 415, 500, 550. We are going to use HYSD 415. Go for that. Okay. Again, you can see all these properties. Okay. Again, go for add new material, and we have to go for mild grade, which we are going to go for shear stirrups. For shear stirrups, which are going to use mild grade 250. So, okay, okay. So the M40 grade, which is for concrete, and for the rebar HYSD 415 and mild steel we are going to use. We will go for OK. So now we have finished with the definition of materials. Now we will go for defining the sections that we are going to use. The same, define under material properties. You will see section properties. Go for frame sections. So now we are going to add new property, and we are going to, so what we are going to do is we are going to make use of the auto select option. So when we assign auto select option to a frame member, what happens is during the analysis the most economical section out of the auto selection list that we have formed will be assigned to the frame. So we are going to use auto selection today. So let us define the, so first we will go for the beam auto selection list. So first we will go for the section shape, concrete rectangle, concrete rectangle, okay, concrete. So here in property, we will write B 500 by 300, where 500 denotes the total depth and 300 the width of the section. You will select M40 and the total depth is 500, 300. Then we will go for source section properties. So you can see all these area moment of inertia, all these properties you can get by going to this option. Then we will go for modify show rebar under reinforcement category. Since it is a beam, the design type will be moment only. The longitudinal bars we will go for 415, and the ties, that is the shear stirrups, that is going to be mild steel. We will give a minimum cover of 25 mm for the beams. And then we'll go for OK, and we will go for OK. So you can see this property in here. We will go for add new property. Now, rather instead of going for add new property, we can add a copy of property too, because I will show you add copy of property. So whichever sections property you want to add, you can actually select that property, then go for this option, that is add copy of property. So here you can see property name. Now we will give property name. Previous one was B 500 by 300. Now we will go for B 500 by 350, M40 500, 350. And when you will see the modify show rebar, you can see this. This is going to remain same. We don't have to do any change because this is the copy of the previous one. Now we will go for OK. Now we will add one more property, add copy of property, and that is, so 500 by 300 is over, 500 by 350. Now we are going to go for 600 by 400. Be 600 by 400. M40, the total depth is 600, width is 400. We don't have to check again because I have shown you that it is same, like the design type is same, mild steel HYST. Okay. Now we will go for, now I will show you how to go for the auto select. Go to add new property and select auto selection list. So, we are going to select concrete, and the name that we are going to give is beam auto select. Then these are the available sections. So you go to this and holding down shift, go to 600 by 400 and add. So this is the auto select list that we are going to work on. Go for OK. So this is the beam auto select. Just modify show property. You can see the auto selection list. Now we are going to go for the column section. So the beam sections that we have used is B 500 by 300. Then we increased the depth by 350. Then we went for B 600 by 400, and we made an auto select list. Then we will go for modify this add new property, and we are going to go for the concrete rectangle, concrete. So we will give the name C 500 by 500. We will give a prefix C to denote column. So the material we will select M40.